Are you frustrated with how to replace your Stampin' Seal? Let me show you how really quickly. So this is the Stampin' Seal, which is a double-sided adhesive from Stampin' Up. And it comes like this so that you can pull it apart. So there are two pieces that fit together. And this bottom part that is a little curvy is where your hand fits. So I'm going to pull that apart. And when this is empty, mine isn't, you'll see orange here. There won't be any opaque, no double-sided tape in there at all, and it'll show orange. And all you do is lift this right out, pull in your replacement, which comes in a package like this. And you can see that it's all full here, and that's going to go right over top. So the bottom part, you will be able to see the words. The bottom part fits in here, and it goes right over top of these two little notches. It doesn't snap into place, but it just fits in place. You put the top back on, and you're good to go. Now, one thing to note is that the Stampin' Seal Plus also will fit in the same cartridge. So these are exactly the same cartridges. So let me just take this one out here. That's the one I just put in, and this Stampin' Seal Plus has a wheel exactly the same. It just has a different type of adhesive on it, almost like little tiny pieces of adhesive, and it's a little bit stronger. So that fits right in place, and you put it over top and you're good to go. So I hope that helps. If you like this video, please subscribe and like it below, and also sign up for my email so you can get all kinds of tips and tricks that are exclusive for my email members. Thanks very much. Have a great paper crafting day.